Welcome back to our channel. Today, we are going to explore some amazing Figma plugins that will take your design workflow to the next level. Whether you're a seasoned designer or just getting started, these three must-have Figma plugins are sure to revolutionize your creative process. So, let's dive in. Need to create and customize tables effortlessly? Table Creator has got you covered. With automatic content adjustment, take control of your table designs and ensure they look flawless every time. Alright, let's give the plugin a try. I've opened Figma and I'm going to create a frame within my artboard. I'll select desktop size, there it is, my frame. Now, let's find the Table Creator plugin. Great, I found it. Time to run the plugin. Okay, the plugin is open, and we can see some information on the screen. We can create a new template with this plugin, and it allows us to choose the number of columns and rows we need, as well as the cell size and alignment. We have plenty of options to play with, 10 columns and 10 rows, but for now, let's stick with a simple table of 5 columns and 3 rows. Perfect, let's create the table. Voila, there it is. The plugin has generated the table for us. If we look closely, we can see the components it used to build the table, cell components, rows, and the main table component. This makes it easier to understand the structure. The plugin is quite handy, allowing us to create tables quickly with just a few clicks. We can easily modify the components, customize cell borders, and add various icons and contents. Now, let's add some data to the table. This will be the header, name, age, location, gender, and job. Alright, let's fill in the details. We have Joe's, 25, location York, gender male, and job designer. Then, we have another entry with the name Marie, age 28, location London, gender female, and job singer. There we go. We've quickly created our table using this helpful plugin. It's a real time saver. That's our first plugin, let's go to next one. Want to seamlessly integrate interactive maps into your designs? Look no further than Mapsicle. Powered by Mapbox, this plugin allows you to create a perfect fusion of maps and design without resorting to screenshots. Let's go through the plugin now. I have Figma open with my artboard. First, I'll create a rectangle inside the artboard. Now, I want to add a map inside this rectangle. To do that, I'll access the resources and choose the Mapsicle plugin. The plugin screen opens, and I can see the entire world map inside it. I can select any location I want. I'll zoom in on the map and add this selected location to my rectangle. Oh, it seems I forgot to select my rectangle before running the plugin, and the image got pasted in the artboard instead. Let's try it again. This time, I'll make sure to select the rectangle first and then run the plugin again. Great! Now, the image is successfully pasted inside the rectangle. This is a high-quality image, and I can even resize it as needed. The plugin is really helpful. You should definitely try it out. Alright, let's move on to the next plugin. This is a free plugin for removing the background of an image. It is convenient because you no longer need to exit Figma to do this. You select a photo, click on the plugin and get the result. Let's give the plugin a go. I placed an image of a plate with food on it on this artboard. Now, I want to remove this layer, so I'll select the image and look for the plugin in the resources. Alright, I found it. I'll run the plugin now, but please note that it might take a little while to generate the output. The process is underway, let's be patient for a moment. Great news! The results are in, and they are amazing. I just need to crop the other portions, which I'll do from the image properties. There we go, it's looking nice. This plugin is truly amazing. There you have it. Elevate your design workflow with these 3 must-have Figma plugins. These plugins offer a world of possibilities, embrace efficiency, unleash creativity, and take your designs to new heights. Explore the power of Figma plugins and revolutionize your design process today. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more design content. Until next time, stay creative. Thank you for watching.